Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our J20 Jeep here. You can see the oil gauge goes right, the amp gauge goes right up. I don't think the oil gauge works because it doesn't knock or anything. Fuel gauge does, it's at a quarter. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn works. Coming out of there, so as of right now the blower doesn't seem to work, and CD player doesn't work. They put an old clock in there. See if on the blower on the air unit works. I don't know if the unit works, but it wipers. Got some exhaust leak. Holes at one time. Oh yeah, there it ain't gonna work because the compressor ain't here. Got some exhaust leaks on it, but yeah. So missing the AC compressor. The rest of it seems to be there. There's your tail lights. So, pretty decent old truck. AC does not work. Oh, there are the oil lights. Oil gauge is coming up. It's just one of them typical old Jeep things, kind of slow. So, and the radio does not work. Dome light does, so yeah. Radio and AC. So any questions, 605-695-7391.